Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change the frame rate on Camtasia Studio. Open Camtasia Studio on your computer. On the home screen, click on New Project. Click on the drop-down menu above the video preview area. Select Project Settings from the menu. A dialog box will appear showing the current canvas settings. Locate the frame rate options in the settings window. Click on the drop-down menu next to frame rate and choose your desired FPS value. After selecting the frame rate, click on Apply to save the changes. This is how you can change the frame rate on Camtasia Studio. Thank you for watching.